to bring
Paano
you back.
magiging voluntaryo kung ordering ka pa? Kaya nag-volunteer ka kanina. Mario Joseph naman na usapan ito. Ang ibig ko po sabihin, Mr. President, nang dahil ba kayo po ay inihatid nyo ang Pangulong Duterte sa The Hague? Ito po bang kabayaran, Mr. President? Ito po ba'y premyo? Kasi kailangan nating ma-disabuse po ang pagdududa ng mga kababayan natin. Hindi naman po kayo ang dapat na maghatid sa kanya ron eh. Tama po, Mr. President?
Your Honor, sabi po ni Asik Lacanilaw, siya nga po he confirms that he was one of those on the plane with the former president.
Opo, wala namang pagdududa doon. There's no debate in that. Ang tinatanong po, kayo po bang authorized na dapat sumama na maghatid sa hindi tamang pagkakahatid sa dating Pangulong? Under what authority did you accompany the former president to The Hague, Netherlands?
According to Asik Lacanilaw, being with the OSCE, they are on top of the Interpol po. Kaya po sila po kasama. Kaya
What
po
do
siya
you
po
mean
kasama.
they are on top of the Interpol, Mr. President? Does he mean, Mr. President, he's the local counterpart of the Interpol in the Philippines?
Yung pong PCTC daw po is that's Interpol NCB Manila.
Yun nga po.
Yan po.
The PCTC is the Philippine Center for Transnational Crimes.
Opo.
Kaya hindi po totoo na sinasabi niya na he is on top of transnational crimes. Kayo po ay special envoy. But the local counterpart of the Interpol is the PCTC. It should have been the executive director of the PCTC who should have accompanied the former president, even if we assume that that was regular.
According to Asik Lacanilaw, that meron po daw siyang dokumento that he was well documented for him to be able to accompany the former president to The Hague, being the head of OSCE. Tapos yung PCTC po is the operational arm under OSCE, Your Honor, Mr. President. So yun po yung kanyang personality or credentials for being the former president.
Can you give us a copy of that document, Mr. President?
According to Asik Lacanilaw, it's with the Office of the President, Your Honor.
Ano po?
Nasa OP daw, sa Office of the President. Or the Office of the Executive Secretary. Can you get that? He will try to request for a copy, Your Honor.
What does the document say, Mr. President?
According to Asik Lacanilaw, he doesn't know exactly the contents of the document, but he was just informed that there was a document that designated or allowed him to accompany the former president, Your Honor, being OSCE.
Why do you think, Mr. President, I should believe that statement? He referred to a document which content he doesn't know. Ang alam niya lang niya, pinasasama sa kanya, Pangulong Duterte. What kind of reasoning is that, Mr. President? Sabihin niyo rin totoo para matapos na ako kasi sandali lang naman sana ako eh. Kung hindi lang paligoy-ligoy kayo, tapos na ako eh.
Well, according to him, it was in the nung nagkaroon daw ng investigation dito regarding that, according to Secretary Remulla of the ALG that yun lang po na sinasabi that he was well documented when he accompanied the former President, Your Honor.
Sinabi mo na naman si Secretary Remulla eh. Puro kwentong kutsero naman ang... Ganito na lang. Kung sakasakali, Sir President, kung sakasakali lang naman, ano, ito po kasi, tama naman yung aking suspecha, Mr. President. There was already an admission on the part of Ambassador Lacanilao then nung nag-hearing ang isang committee in the Senate on the arrest of FPRRD, na nag-volunteer ka lang eh. Because there is no available official of PCTC, o walang personnel, kaya ikaw ang nag-volunteer. There is a transcript to this effect that you just volunteered. So there is no document. So, which is very, very clear, Mr. President, that he himself volunteered due to the unavailability of personnel from PCTC. So he arrogated upon himself something that was not lawfully delegated to him. Sa mga kapatid, talagang parang bayad lang. Parang papremyo lang sa kanya ito. Kaya pala hindi niya maipaliwanag kung bakit. Alam mo, Mr. President, ganito po yan eh. Lahat po ng notice ng isang korte, lahat ng subpoena o anumang klase ang ipatupad ng korte, yung sheriff po ang nagdadala. Kumbaga, yung PCTC dapat ang nagdala sa Pangulong Duterte. Pero kayo po nag-volunteer. Tama po. Ito
Yes,
po
Your
ang
Honor,
transcript.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. President. Inamin po ni Asik Calilaw na siya po ay nag-volunteer.
Oh, nag-volunteer. So wala na yung dokumento, ha? Wala na yung dokumento. Hindi mo nga maipaliwanag kung yung content ng document. Kwento lang yun. Kwentong kutsero lang. Yes?
Well, sabi po kasi niya, yun daw yung nabanggit nung sa Senate hearing na he was documented.
You were documented as what? Kanina dokumento yung sinasabi mo ngayon. Ikaw ng dokumento. Ano ba yun?
Nung siya po ay nag-voluntaryo, kinakailangan daw mabigyan ng dokumento para po siya po ay makaalis. At
So,
makasama.
okay. The document says that you volunteered. Kasi nasa transcript talaga ng Senate, ano eh.
Yes, Your Honor. He confirms.
So the last question now, since you volunteered to accompany the former president to The Hague, kahit na irregular, illegal lahat ang mga proseso, will you also volunteer kung sakasakali na babalik na ang dating Pangulo na ikaw rin ang mag-uwi sa kanya?
He said that if there is an order for him to do so, he will volunteer to bring
Paano
him back.
magiging voluntary yung kung ordering ka pa? Kanina nag-volunteer ka kanina. Mario Joseph naman na usapan ito.
No, but, kung may order daw, siya po isusunod yun.
Hindi na voluntary yun. In-orderan ka na. Mandate na yun eh. Salamat po, Mr. President.